Hey everyone, and welcome back to Techno Puzzle. In this tutorial video, I am going to be showing you how can we use Python right on Android. So if you don't have a PC and have an Android phone, you can use Python right here. So in this tutorial video, I am just going to show how can you do that. So first of all, you have to install an app. Open up Play Store and then search for an app called Pydroid. Pydroid. Then click on Pydroid3 IDE for Python 3. So you just have to install this app. Just wait for a minute. So the installation, downloading is about to finish. Okay, so it's downloaded now. Let's wait for the installation. Okay, so Pydroid3 IDE for Python 3 has been installed. Now just click on open. So it will take a little bit here to install Python package. Just a second. Okay, so Python has been successfully been installed on Pydroid 3. Now if you might be seeing you actually should be seeing a white window where we can basically write anything, and here we have to actually write the code or program that we want to execute. So let's just write a test code called print hello world and click on this button over here to run. Let's click it and see, we got hello world over here. So this is successfully working. Now I find this text size or font size small, so let's click here and then go to settings and then tap on appearance, font size you like. It was for me small, so I will choose a bigger one, let's say 24. You can also change the font from here, and I would like to keep obsidian or whatever that is as my theme. And see, we got everything set up. Here we can basically write our full-fledged Python programs to run right on Android. So let me actually say print, let's actually use an engine. Let's see if this works or not. A is equal to input, and then let's just print. Let's just run this code and see what we get. Yes, we have to enter something here as expected. Let's say hello, and we get hello as the output because we were doing print A. So input function. Now let's talk about some pros and cons on using on Android. So Python basically is a programming language, and if you ask me, you can use Python on Android using Pydroid 3 and many other softwares also available on Google Play. But if you have a PC, I will definitely recommend using the PC for basically doing learning and development tasks rather than Android, because Android phones are basically made for what you can say using purposes, but computers are definitely more developer friendly, more friendly to people who like to create something. So I will recommend using the PC if you have one, but if you don't have one, you can definitely use this environment also for learning purposes. It's totally fine. Now let's say we want to save a file. We have just made a small program saying print 3 and then in the other line print 8. I'll just tap here, click on save as, and allow Pydroid 3 to access photos, media and files on your device. Click on that Pydroid 3 can access photos, media and other files and on our device. Now select the directory where we want to install. Let's click internal storage, and for me I will just save it with documents folder and click on select folder. Give any name you want, let's say hello.py. Click on save. So it should be saved now. Now if we go to our file manager, let's go to documents folder. We have hello.py that we saved. So if we have to open that again in Pydroid3, just open up Pydroid3. Second, let me find it. Now it's saying a new file, so to open that file just click here, click on open, and choose the file wherever it is on your file system. So for this case I will go to documents, inside internal storage, and see we got the file hello.py. So just click on that and we got the file back. And if we have to run this, obviously we will click this button. We got the desired output 3 and 8. So this is it for this tutorial video. I hope this was helpful to you, at least for the people who don't have access to the desktop. So I will see you in the next tutorial video, or any Python session or any other coding session. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.